In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Zotero extension in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can move through the setup without any interruptions. This process is quick, and you only need to do it once to add the extension to Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into the browser search bar or by visiting the store directly if you already know the page. The Chrome Web Store is the official place where Chrome extensions are available, so this is the safest and most reliable way to install Zotero. After the Chrome Web Store opens, use the search bar at the top or side of the page and type Zotero. Then press Enter to search. This will bring up results related to Zotero. Take a moment to look for the correct extension in the results so you install the right tool. When you find the Zotero extension, click on it to open its details page. This page usually gives you a short description of what the extension does and may also show reviews, permissions, and other useful information. Next, click the blue Add to Chrome button. Chrome may show a confirmation pop-up asking you to approve the installation. If that appears, go ahead and confirm it to continue. The browser will then download and install the extension automatically. Once the installation is complete, the Zotero extension should be added to Chrome and ready to use. In some cases, you may see the extension icon appear near the top right area of your browser. That is the full process for adding the Zotero extension in Google Chrome. It is simple, fast, and useful if you want quick access to Zotero features while browsing. That covers everything you need to know.